All right, when you're looking at simplifying or multiplying fractions, okay, what you first want to do is make sure everything's written as factors. Well, everything is already written as factors, with the exception of this 3 minus x factor is inconsistent with what we or what I've recommended that you do, which is write all your binomial or higher term, higher number of term factors in standard form with a leading coefficient that's positive. So if we reorder these terms and factor out a negative, so if we take a negative out, it becomes a positive x and a negative 3. So that factor gets replaced with these two, a negative and then a quantity x minus 3. Once we do this, we can now go through and cancel any common factors. So the x minus 3's cancel, the x cancels with one of these x's, leaving 2. And so here's your simplified form. If we write it now, we have an x plus 3 or x plus 13 in the numerator. We have a negative 5x squared in the denominator. Anytime you have negative power or negative factors, always write the negative in the numerator. So we need to move the negative up top. And as I do that, I'm going to group my two terms in the numerator already as a binomial. Just put the negative in front. And so here would be my simplified form. And now as I go back and look, I did cancel a factor completely from the denominator, so I do have to restrict the value of x that would make this a 0. So here, x cannot equal what value of x would give you a 0 for this factor? And the answer is 3.